Hak jing sa priang ka jing tho uba Mewaker lengdo Pakma, President BJP Meghalaya State Youth Wing. Kaba ula kentu ban siat bet ki breu ki bayaki persya ya ka rukom terekam ke sorkar BJP hanong ba Delhi. Nakaliang ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress kala penremjur halor kani ka jing kran. Haba kran cikilal pathai Khubor hak arphoi terek naitung Samla Jonathan's aim Vice President Youth Congress ulaong kum unong elam ka parti ka badon Khubor. Hak jaka banyarab iki Samla upen mi penban kum kitu gi kentin ki bamla ban pediang.
Nakaliang kami kalai kongres mulai ki baro ki press ki balaiwan kenik sini mentah ini nakaliang jongka Meghalaya Youth Congress ni don lam ini ki member juga youth bagiwan persyajur ya kawai ke cingkren ke statement mulai ke cingkren ke statement ke bawah mulai presiden juga BJP Youth Wing ulat ho atau social media mentaki gedon ketu ke cing protes nampak kini paper leaks kebangi kum kongres nila protes kini benai ki baladam rekai ke bangiyo taba penkendit ini kum ikut Samla bong tho ko social media chungu wong ba ya kini se ki ba protes kini pensiat hi wong ba tear gas is not enough, shoot them. So kani pen i ba kalong kai mensim kumba ono mensiu rundum agacuk ki bompat kuma kani gacuk tungi gacuk cinsyai gacuk demokrasi kani statement bau tho hapo ke social media kalau kata shibun iki kun Samla kaba mau kum presiden chong ke youth wing Meghalaya ladai mau uban yarap lem ban yasai lem kudai mau kum presiden chong BJP badon Khubor po Delhi berun yarap lem nam ta ki pun Samla ki chungi barok koi haslak dari India bat khamtam hanika state Meghalaya chungi rima penmi kum kani ka statement tingi ba ka Shillong chingman ka mindset chuki hilong thek hi kum kitu se ki anbhat ki ki BJP ba da don ganu bom sutit le da ka penting pensmi dari kum bagi om kat kum ka Constitution right kecungi kat kum ke artikel 19 ila protes hak demokrasi ni don ni kena hok bat om da ka penting pensmi om da ka berngem berset om da ka berngem da ban susiat ban supeniak rega don ka debate ka don ka dialogue ban question government dangi kim ki kun Samla ngim don ni kata right ada isu snapchar gajah kini ke paper leak ke bamen kini ke lakta taki tholak ut ikna Samla ada isu snapchar baik ada ngim don kata ke interest hak politics ada ngim question ni kita ke badon Khubor menu ben question ni kata rekum kini ke cingkren kolong ke ke bapen snusi ke bakta mat yong sikit dai re nakaliya tu youth congress yang scam hi hak kata ke bom inclusive development ya baro bangidon kata ke bomnyuk Shillong ino bangi sengap ya kasur cumpai ba tebat sakaw iru ba ka BJP kandai bai a cuba halor kani statement ke bau ni presiden juga youth wing ula keren kacing sengap car juki la daki sengap car kemud ki penslur kan kum kani kacing berngam berset juki ka penslur kin ban peniak beriu reha kani juk demokrasi jungi kandai belong kumta tek ni por na kaliang jungi ni diman ba presiden juga youth congress ulah tho ek tu jogai ni diman kum vice president juga youth congress ni diman ba presiden jongka BJP youth wing udai ban pamar lor kini bat udai bedong accountability bat udai bedong kata responsibility hu te kini ke poru ni don lang ki member jongka youth congress ki ban ya ai jingkren lang hakini ke por.
Yes, on behalf of Youth Congress, we strictly condemn whatever is going on today. As you can see, he has been saying false words and all that, and despite he's an advocate, I mean, like, where is his ethics, as an advocate? So this is very unprofessional, so to say, and we really condemned him. And after everyone that what's going on in Delhi, it's like a war. I've seen from lots of media that many youth is, they are all there, beaten up. And then, coming up from a guy who's from Meghalaya, I mean, like, it's such a disgrace. I mean, like, no one, like, they don't have the sense of humor, thinking. And then I feel so ashamed. And from the Meghalaya Youth Congress, we want him to, to step down, and we need some actions needs to be taken against him. And you can't say, to kill the people who protest. I mean, like, these people come from all over India to protest for our nation, for the worldwide, so that everything will go in peace, knowing that all the need of the examination, what is going on. So yes, from the Youth Congress, we strongly condemn him and the BGP. So thank you.
So you'll be taking up the matter legally? Will you be filing an FIR against this
Not,
matter?
not yet, and we will sit and discuss, and we will see what's next for it.
What sort of action do you want from the BJP against this gentleman to be taken for making such statements? Like, do you feel that he should be suspended from the party or any of that?
Yeah, actually, like, coming from the president of BJP youth wing, they should do something about it. Such words you can't say such words, like, killing the youth who protest there in Delhi. I mean, like, have some common sense. I mean, he's an advocate, so I don't know where is his mindset, and you should speak on your mind. You can't just speak what's going on, or you can't be unprofessional, so to say. You have to be very professional when you lead any team. When you lead a party, you have to be professional on this. No, this is not acceptable.
So, coming to party as such, youth leaders, are you planning to do any protest per se, the issue?
So as of now, we are doing this press conference. So we'll see afterwards if he's not answerable to this, what we have asked him to do. We'll proceed with the protest as well.
Now, about the NEET issue, are you planning any protests?
Yes, we have done recently. In the last 2-3 months back, we have done the protest. Yesterday also, a group of youth were gathering there. We from the Youth Congress, also, we joined them. We support them. So anything related to what issue which affect the youth or which affect the country, we are ready to fight. We are ready to join.
Regarding on this statement, do you think because the party who are power in Delhi, they
person has stated in his social media account, this just reflects the BJP's attitude towards the youth. So from the Congress, we will always stand with the youth, because this is not just about the Congress. This is about our society. This is about our future. This is about the welfare of our students. Paper leaks, it's not a joke, right? This didn't just happen just once. It's been happening. Paper leaks has been happening in India. It's affecting the families in the rural areas who have been sacrificing, right? They've spent so much time preparing for the exams. And as students, all of us here, right, we've gone through exams. And we know the anxiety that we face before the exams. To face the exam twice, the same exams twice, it's not a joke, right? The anxiety faced by parents, the amount of money spent on tuitions, the money spent on coaching centers, right? So a lot of effort has been put so that students clear the exams. So when there is a paper leak, only the people who have appeared for the exams understand the seriousness of the matter. What is painful for us, what we've seen in yesterday's protest, the student community in Shillong, our community, right? The awareness, or maybe people feel that because it is not affecting them, so they're not coming out in hordes. So as a political party, as a party who's responsible, right? We are the ones who should be responsible to create this awareness, what's happening to our country. It's not just my family, it's what's happening in the country. It's affecting every family. All these people who want to be future doctors, future engineers, they've lost trust, they've lost faith in the system. So it's not just the Congress. I'm speaking not just as a congressman, not just as a Congress party worker. I'm speaking as a brother, I'm speaking as a father, I'm speaking as an uncle, I'm speaking for everyone. Because what is happening now with the students community, maybe if this continues, our family will be affected one day. We will be affected one day. The quality of doctors that we will have, the quality of engineers that we will have. If the system is not right, if the system is corrupt, we will have to stand up against this. And to hear